Greetings, tree enthusiasts. Today we're delving into the majestic world of the Blue Atlas Cedar, a stunning coniferous tree with a history steeped in elegance. Originating from the Atlas Mountains in North Africa, this tree is renowned for its striking blue-green foliage. The Blue Atlas Cedar earned its name from the captivating hue that adorns its needles. This majestic tree features needles that range from silvery blue to vibrant green, creating a striking contrast. The branches form a pyramidal shape, adding to its regal appearance. The Blue Atlas Cedar is a visual masterpiece, making it a sought-after choice for landscaping and ornamental planting. To thrive, the Blue Atlas Cedar prefers well-draining soil, full sun, and a temperate climate. It's well-suited for large landscapes and garden spaces, providing a focal point with its impressive size and unique coloration. Adequate watering and occasional pruning contribute to its overall health. For companion planting, consider pairing the Blue Atlas Cedar with other conifers or evergreen trees. This creates a harmonious landscape and enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of your outdoor garden. Primarily grown for its ornamental value, the Blue Atlas Cedar adds a touch of grandeur to parks, estates, and large gardens. While not known for its medicinal purposes, its towering presence and unique color make it a prized specimen for landscape projects. Its distinctive foliage, towering presence, and adaptability make it a cherished choice among tree enthusiasts. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of trees. Until next time, may your landscape thrive, and may the Blue Atlas Cedar grace your outdoor spaces with its regal beauty. Farewell and happy gardening.